Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Test. In this video, I will be discussing about Databricks dashboards. This is 13th video in our Databricks 101 series. If you have not watched our previous videos, please do check them out. What are Databricks dashboards? In general, dashboards are the visual representation. By looking at the dashboard, we will be able to understand very important metrics related to our business. In this video, I will be showing you how you can turn your Databricks SQL query result into very impressive, meaningful, insightful visual representation that is the dashboard. Let us get started on it. I'm in my Databricks Express Edition workspace. Here first, let me go to compute. Let me turn on the SQL warehouse, which is a serverless warehouse here. Now let me go to SQL editor. Here, for the demonstration purpose, I will be making use of the samples provided by the Databricks under the samples catalog. If I expand upon, we should be seeing that there are 4 to 5 data sets provided to us in the form of databases. In that, we have TPCH. Here, we have some sales related tables. Let me expand upon it. You can take a look. 1 second. Customer table is there, line item table is there, nation table is there, orders, part, region, supplier. Like that, we have few tables. Let us try to query these tables and get some insights. Let us start with very small one. There is orders table here. Let us try to query against this orders table to find the number of orders by their status. There is order status column here. With respect to that, we can select here, select the order status, group by the order status. That way we get the count of orders against each order status. Let this be one query. Let us try to execute it. Before we execute, we have to choose here the catalog and then choose the database. Let us run this query. Whatever we get here, this is a raw result, excuse. So we have the order status and their count. Now, this result you can turn into visualization. You have to click on this plus. There is a visualization option. You get to choose the kind of the visualization you want. Let me choose here the pie chart. We are good to go. It gives us the failed orders, maybe pending, something like that. We have the order status. Let us save this visualization. We can give a name to it. Let me call it as order status distribution. Fine. So this visualization we have created. Next up, let us try to find average order value. Again, something we can derive from the orders table itself. Year-wise, we will try to find here the average order value. You take look into these details. Later, I will be posting all these queries in my GitHub. You can just refer to and practice on yourself. Let us first execute this query again. It should be switching to the samples and then to the excuse. This is samples and then your TPCH. Done. Let us execute it. Year-wise order value we are trying to find here. Done. Let us visualize it. Let us go for maybe line chart. Horizontal chart is fine. On the x-axis we have the year and on the y-axis the order average order value is there. There are ups and downs here. We can observe it. Let me save it. So this way you are nicely observing that our query result can be visualized, right? Let us save it by the name average order value. Right, done. Next up, let us try to find revenue over time. Again, against the orders table, let us switch to the samples and this TPCH here. Let us execute it. Done. Let's go for visualizing this result. This was uh, okay. Revenue over time, right? Let this be like this. The line chart. Over the years, we could see that there are ups and downs, and it is being restricted to certain boundary. Let us save it. Let us call this as order value over time, or revenue over time. It is, excuse, revenue over time. So this is what we have it done. Three queries and visualizations we created for its result. Let me check if I can have one more here. Let us try to find uh, the top selling nations. Okay, top selling nations, the samples, and then we have TPCH. Let us execute it. Place visualization. Horizontal chart is there. Let us make it as a vertical chart. So revenue on the y-axis and countries on the x-axis. So these are the top 10 selling nations we have. Fine. Individual visualizations we have created. Let us name this as well, the visualization. Let me call it as top selling nations. Done. Now, how can I create the dashboard? We can create the dashboard starting from here itself. Click on this down arrow. There is provision of add to dashboard. Let us select it. Let us create a new dashboard. Let me call it as sales, and let us say save query and create. Likewise, the other visualizations can be added to the dashboard. Uh, Down arrow, add to dashboard. Let us say this time add to existing dashboard. Here, our newly created sales dashboard, we can pick it. And let us say save query and import. Fine. Let us add the order status one as well quickly. To dashboard, sales, save query and import. Save. Done. Last one, we have revenue over time. Let us select it. Click on this add to dashboard, add to existing, say sales, save query and import. So with that, what happened? The dashboard is created for us and it is already opened for us. But then if you want to navigate from the main menu, you can do so. Let's go to dashboards. You could see certain, dashboards are already there. The samples given by Databricks. But then we created here the sales, right? Let me click up on this. By default, the layout comes out to be one below the other. Top selling first, average order value, order status distribution, like that. And revenue also is there at the end. We can organize them by dragging and dropping. Let me bring up on this average order value over here. Likewise, let us just adjust this little bit and let us scroll down. Here, further scrolling down and let us adjust the placement of these visuals here. One second. Let me zoom in little and let me place across. Um, okay, we can just adjust the size and all. That should be fine. We are good here. Let me stop it. But then we lost this somewhere. Uh, okay, this one we are supposed to push to the top. Let us take it here and let us adjust the size as well to fit into the first one that is there. Yes, done. Okay, this one, something is pending here, right? I'm just trying to put it in the quadrant. So this one we will put it up here. Okay, fine. So with that, now our dashboard is ready. Let me zoom in little so that you can take look at it. Okay, still further, there isn't much room here. One second. Let us check through it. Further, you can okay, edit this. You can add further visuals, or you can go about the filtering. Okay, this is just one page that you have created in your dashboard. You can give a name to it. Just like in Excel, we can go about having more sheets, right? So we can have here the um, more pages, dashboard pages. Let me say this to be basic page. Fine. So like this, you could see that we are able to create the dashboards. Let me further maybe just downsize them so that we can see them together. Okay, this size also let me reduce it. Let me try to bring this up. One second, let us check through. You can place them wherever we want, right? I think now you got the bit of better picture for this dashboard. Fine. So this is the one we have it. Fine. So like this, you can try to build upon your dashboards depending on your business use case. You may be getting instructions or problem statements from the lead or your clients, and accordingly you can do it. So we have here the option of publishing. So where you want to publish and to whom you want to notify whenever this dashboard is published. So that kind of information also we can provide. Okay, you can give the link to this dashboard so that others can see it, and you can share this dashboard with your required stakeholders, and you can set the refresh frequency and all. This is a dashboard that is refreshed 10 minutes back. Fine. So like this, you are seeing here that we have the visualization feature baked into the Databricks platform. So you can build your dashboards within the platform without maybe relying upon the additional tools like Power BI and all. But then, if at all you are more convenient with Power BI and your requirement is that you are supposed to build your dashboards using Power BI also, Databricks supports that integration very nicely. We get to see it somewhere here itself. Let us check. We should have provision here of connecting to the Power BI. Maybe this is the Express edition, right? So we don't get to see it. Fine. Okay. So depending on how frequently your queries are refreshed, you can enable your dashboard refreshment as well so that your dashboards are always staying updated. Okay, so this was the concept of creating dashboards from your query result in Databricks. Uh, I think with this, we have almost completed the promised set of the topics for the Databricks 101 series. Uh, Let us meet with maybe new set of videos wherein we will try to dive deep into the concepts that we have taken up here in this series. Thank you. Stay tuned.